Hi children, good morning. Welcome to LKG class subject GK and EVS. GK will learn some flowers and vehicles children. Look at this picture children. What are these children? Flowers. Where we can see the flowers children? We can see in the garden or we can see in the market. See which flower this one? Rose. Rose is which color? Red color. This one which flower children? Jasmine. Jasmine smell is very nice no children. Which color? White color. What is the children? Sunflower. Which color sunflower? Sunflower is yellow color. See this one? Birds of paradise. Pink color. Orange color and green color. This one hibiscus. Hibiscus we can see many colors children. White hibiscus, pink and red also is there children. This one marigold. In Kannada what we call chanduva. This one daisy. Lotus. Lotus tavare hova. We can keep no children. In festivals and all we can keep no tavare hova. Tulip. Next, once again children, flowers. Rose, jasmine, sunflower, birds of paradise, hibiscus, marigold, the lotus, tulip. Now next we learn some vehicles. We want to go one place to another place. What we are going to use children? Very far places we can use vehicles. Now in some of the vehicles we can see here children. Look at this picture. What is this? Aeroplane, truck, car, bus, van, rocket, helicopter, rickshaw, cycle, boat, ship. This one. Aeroplane is which transport children? Air transport. Truck, car, bus, van and all land transport. Means these vehicles are these vehicles we can see this and all land transport children. We can see in the roads and all we can see no children, buses, cars and all traveling no children. Now air transport, rocket, helicopter and aeroplane. Now water transport, boat and ship. Okay children, cycle, rickshaw and all land transport. See here in your house cycle and car and all is there no children? Some of them house they are having cycle or car, no children. And van also is some of them are using, they are having no children. Now which one you like children? Some of them are liking car, van, no. See once again I repeat, vehicles, aeroplane, truck, car, bus, van, rocket, helicopter, rickshaw, cycle, boat, ship. Okay children, now GK over we learn some flowers and vehicles. Now we are going to learn me and my nature, EVS. Children, in me and my nature, in nature we can see so many things. What and all we can see children? We can see fountain, trees, rivers and all we can see. Here we can see some fruits, flowers and vegetables children. Look at this picture, page number 64. All of you take out your EVS book, page number 64. Here we can see sun, trees, birds and all we can see in this picture children. First we learn some fruits. Here so many fruits are there children. Which fruit? This one mango, guava, banana, grapes, pomegranate, apple, pear, pineapple, watermelon, orange, muskmelon, strawberry. Fruits are all very good for health. You should eat daily one fruit children. Fruits is good for our health. Now come down. See here, look at this. In this picture we can see so many vegetables children. Cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, bottle gourd, spinach, potato, capsicum, brinjal, onion, peas, tomato, lady's finger, beans, radish, pumpkin, capsicum, carrot. What are these children? Vegetables. Vegetables also very good for our health. Now look at this here down. We can see some flowers children. Which flower? This is sunflower, rose, daisy, dahlia, tulip, marigold, lotus, lily. Okay children, back side here one sticker is there. You have to take out the sticker and you have to stick it children. this one, this sticker you have to take out and you have to stick it, children. Okay. Now turn next page, page number 64 and 65 over. Now page number 66. What is this, children? These are fruits. Look at these fruits. Which fruit this is? Mango, apple, banana, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, orange, guava, grapes, pear, muskmelon, pomegranate. Okay. Here, children, you have to do the activities. Page number 67. Draw and color your favorite fruit. Which fruit you like, children? Have to take out your pencil and you have to draw it and you color it, children. Now match the fruits with their hands. Which fruit, children, this is? Have to match. Apple have to match here. This one watermelon have to match. Match the fruits with their hands. Okay. Page number 66 over 67 over, children. Next, take out page number 68. What is this, children? These are vegetables. See, so many vegetables. See here, onion, potato, bottle gourd, spinach, brinjal, lady's finger, pumpkin, cabbage, peas, lemon, radish, capsicum, tomato, cauliflower, carrot. Okay. Once again, children, vegetables: potato, bottle gourd, onion, lady's finger, brinjal, spinach, pumpkin, cabbage, capsicum, tomato, peas, radish, cauliflower, lemon, carrot. Match each vegetables to its shadows. Match, children. You have to match it. You have to do the exercise. Page number 69. Okay. Once again, I will revise, children. See, me and my nature. See, in the nature, we can see so many. This such me and my nature. In the nature, what all will observe, children? Sun, trees, water, birds, fruits, vegetables, everything come from the nature. We can see here some fruits, vegetables, some flowers. Here, children, see what is this? Mango, guava, banana, pomegranate, apple, grapes, pear, muskmelon, pineapple, watermelon, apple, orange. Here, so many vegetables, children. You have to recognize the vegetables and you have to say the names, children, to practice. Cauliflower, bottle gourd, onion, beans, cabbage, spinach, brinjal, tomato, potato, lady's finger, beans, carrot, pumpkin, capsicum. Here we can see some of the flowers, children. You like flowers, no, children? What is this? Rose, daisy, tulip, dahlia, marigold, lily, lotus, daffodil. Okay, children, you have to read page number 64, page number 65. Here some of the fruits, children. Fruits is good for our health. Daily you should eat fruits, children. Mango, apple, banana, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, orange, guava, grapes, pear, muskmelon, pomegranate. You have to do the activities, children. Page number 67. Draw and color your favorite fruit. You have to draw it, children, and color it. And this one, match the fruits with their hands. You have to match it, children. This one, page number 67. You have to do the activities 67 and you have to do the activities 69. See, match the each vegetables to its shadow. You have to match it, children. Very easy to match now. Here see some of the vegetables: potato, bottle gourd, onion, lady's finger, spinach, brinjal, pumpkin, cabbage, capsicum, tomato, peas, radish, cauliflower, lemon, carrot. Okay, children, to take out your reader, you have to read it, children, and you have to do the activities. Next class, I will take one more topic, children. Okay, thank you, bye.